No, it's taking really.
My arm is tired. My right arm is so tired.
Keep fighting, keep fighting.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's
He's just not budging. But it's head thrashing, so I know it's a fish.
Yeah.
100%.
Get it, get it! Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go!
Did you leave something?
My tackle box.
Pretty tight back here.
Well, if it ain't obvious by now, we are no longer in our state of Virginia. For the next couple days, Ethan, Nathan, and the doctor, we will be doing some saltwater fishing in New Jersey. The species of fish we are targeting: bluefish, striper, fluke, all those very fun fighting fish that I haven't targeted in at least 2 years. Weather today is a nice overcast condition, so today is a really good day to hit him. Tomorrow's going to be a little unpredictable with the weather. It seems like we're going to have some rainstorms coming through, but overall we're just going to have a fun time and hopefully get on some saltwater fish.
Like go cast toward
Yeah, that would be a good spot. Waves are a little choppy today. I'm gonna start out with a diamond jig. This is like a 1 ounce size. And we got some rocks right up ahead that are underwater. Gonna cast. The idea is to cast out there, let it sink for a second, and then reel it straight back in. And then there'll probably be a bluefish just lurking in there. My setup's a little heavy, but it's all good. Woo. There you go. Yes! Nate's on. Well done, Nate. Yeah, feel good? Awesome. Nate, you want to switch setups? Kinda. Good luck with it. Ah. There's some light line on here. There's one. Yep. All right, we're hooked up, baby. Ethan, you're up next to use this setup. It's good. All right. Popped off.
Oh, dude.
There's one. Yes. Okay. I think I figured it out. Sprint it fast.
Yeah, sprint it fast.
I am. Yep. All right, there he is. I see him.
You got the way? There you go.
Yeah.
If you need to cover that telephone.
All right.
Yep.
Yes. Thank you. Well, the doctor said we had 3 more minutes left to fish. What I did was I just casted it towards the rock and then sprinted it as fast as I could. And then this little blue hit. Very beautiful fish. That's what we're chasing today. First little bluefish. See you later. Thank you. Finished up our bluefish session. Now we're gonna target some fluke. What the rig is basically got a pretty heavy weight. We're gonna rig up 2 little live minnows and just jig them on the bottom right now. Right behind me, we got the shore. We're pretty close. I've only caught like 2 fluke in my life. They're fun fighting fish. But yeah, the bluefish just weren't really on fire this morning, so let's see if the fluke can be any better. There's one. Oh, another sand shark. There we go.
Wait.
Dude.
Wait.
Yeah, another one. Dude, this is gonna be awesome. There's one. There's two. Nathan's got one. Ethan's got one.
Oh, there are two in the net.
All right.
You got it?
Good. We're doing pretty good. Everyone's hooking up. It's gonna be a very fun afternoon. It is now the final day, day number 4 of our time in New Jersey. And you might be wondering what happened to day number 2 and number 3. Well, day number 2, I got horribly seasick. And then on day number 3, I decided not to film because there wasn't much going on. And then at the end of the day, I pulled in 2 massive dogfish, the biggest one being 31 inches. Got a good one on. Wow, it's the best fighting fish of the day. Why? Why is it sweating so hard? No way. It's a giant. It's a giant. Dude,
Whoa.
I knew it. Whoa! Oh, man. Woo. This is so exciting. Check out the PB dogfish right there. That is such quality fish. And so today the weather is really surprisingly calm. Gonna target bluefish for the 4th time. We've never had a very productive day so far, but hopefully we will be able to properly close out our time at the shore. Ready, Ethan?
Yep.
It's time, boys. Just throw into where the birds are at. Hang on tight. Big boat just came by. Oh, those are big. Okay. Does he? Woo! Nathan's on. Wow. Good job, Nate. Way to break the ice. There's one. It's the rocks, man. Oh, I love bluefish. They just... Okay. Good sized one. Nothing huge, but... Oh, there's a second one with it. Ethan, there was a second one following it.
Never seen that happen before.
Yeah. Oh, look. Look,
Oh, yeah.
cast down your jig. Cast your jig down. All right. Nice. Good. Just jig it, jig it, jig it. Real. You?
Oh, he's on. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Get ready with that net yet?
No.
Slow. Slow is the way to go right here.
Keep fighting. I'm gonna remove this.
Just let him.
Oh, I popped off.
All right, he's eager to go. This is a nice little bluefish. We're all hooking up right now. All right, I'm gonna toss him back in. He wants to go. See you, bud. Nice.
I just went boom and I reset the hook.
No, it's good. Good fishing so far. We've all hooked up. That's yeah. I think what might have happened if we stumbled upon a school of blues.
Everybody, once you're back in, stay.
All right. Yeah.
There we go.
Woo! Reel it in. Reel. Fight it. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one, dude. Yes. Last minute hookup. Keep fighting. Mid-fight interview. What do you have to say, Ethan?
Shut up, he's fishing.
Look at that drag screaming. Oh
I'm feeling Jeremy Wade right now.
All right.
That's no small bluefish, dude.
No, it's taking
My arm is tired. My right arm is so tired.
Keep fighting.
It's okay.
It's a big fish.
Maybe it's a 6-foot shark.
It could be a 6-foot shark. That is a possibility.
Seriously?
Honestly, yeah.
He's just not budging. But it's head thrashing, so I know it's a fish.
Yeah.
100%.
It's a fish.
Keep it up.
Keep moving him.
Holy moly!
Woo!
Oh, seriously?
Is it? I can't tell. Maybe I
Wait. Pull. Come on, please be a striper. Please be a striper.
I thought I saw striper for a second.
Right here, Nate.
Maybe. Yeah, it's a striper.
Striper! Striper, dude! Woo!
Dude, get him! Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go!
That's a fish.
Holy crap! Woohoo!
Dude, on the last cast.
Oh my
There
gosh.
we go.
Only striper so far of the trip.
That's easy.
I'm losing my shoot right now. I'm losing my stuff.
7.5.
I'm gonna call it
7.3.
7.3.
We'll go 7.3.
Let's go!
Oh yeah, baby. Alright, you wanna release now?
Yeah. Do this, flip it down.
There you go.
Oh, man.
Wow, what a way to conclude this saltwater adventure we had this week. I'm sure Ethan's really stoked about his very first and personal best striper. That thing is a lot bigger than any striper I've ever caught. Gonna help clean the boat right now, so guess we'll close it out here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more saltwater stuff, let me know, because I'm definitely down to drive down to the beach in Virginia and do some little saltwater stuff there if you guys really want to see it. But without further ado, I'll see you in the next video, and as always, fish for the adventure.